When you need a powerful nail gun for even the most grueling projects, Arrow's PT18G Pneumatic Brad Nailer has got you covered. This long-lasting, heavy-duty nail gun is the perfect tool for any project ranging from hobby woodworking to professional jobs. With a quick-load magazine, a comfortable grip, an adjustable exhaust cover, and an indicator viewing window to let you know when to reload, this tool was designed with convenience in mind. The air inlet fittings will attach to any standard pneumatic hose and will operate with home compressors up to 120 psi. The PT18G has a non-marring rubber tip that will protect your workpiece from dings and scratches. Unlike previous models, the PT18G does not require pneumatic oil, so maintenance is easy. The PT18G delivers consistent drive with every shot and is easier on the hand compared to manual nailers. And of course, safety is key. This tool has a built-in contact safety feature to prevent accidental misfires. The PT18G works with all sizes of Arrow brad nails. Plus, Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. The PT18G is ideal for larger projects and nailing into harder materials. It's best suited for large home repair projects, trim and molding projects, and hobby woodworking projects. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.